Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Hello gardeners. In this video I will explain how to grow green bell peppers from seeds, providing a full guide from start to finish. To begin, select high-quality bell pepper seeds. You'll want to start these seeds indoors about 8 to 10 weeks before the last frost. Use a sterile seed starting mix in small pots or trays. Plant each seed about 1/4 inch deep, covering them lightly with soil. Keep the soil consistently moist and warm, ideally around 75 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, to encourage germination within 7 to 10 days. Once your seedlings are strong, it's time to prepare them for the outdoors. Harden off your young plants for about 7 to 10 days, gradually exposing them to outdoor conditions. Transplant them into your garden only after all danger of frost has passed and the soil temperature is consistently above 65 degrees Fahrenheit. Space each plant 18 to 24 inches apart to allow for proper growth and air circulation. Ensure they receive consistent moisture and are planted in well-draining, fertile soil. As your bell pepper plants grow, ongoing care is crucial. Water them deeply and regularly, especially when the weather is dry or when fruits are forming. Fertilize with a balanced, all-purpose fertilizer every 2 to 4 weeks to support vigorous growth. When your plants reach about 12 inches tall, provide support by staking or caging them to prevent breakage from heavy fruit. Regularly inspect your plants for any signs of pests or diseases, and address them quickly to maintain plant health. Finally, the exciting part, harvesting your delicious green bell peppers. You'll know they are ready when they are firm, glossy, and have reached their full size, typically 60 to 90 days after transplanting. To harvest, use a sharp knife or a pair of shears to cut the stem about 1 inch above the pepper. Avoid pulling the peppers, as this can damage the plant. Harvesting regularly will encourage your plant to produce even more fruit, ensuring a bountiful supply for your kitchen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.